everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session. Standard 4 English book, and the name of this book is My English Book 4. In this book there are various different and very interesting activities which we are going to do together. So we will, that is on page number 4, and the name of the activity is Words from Letters. See children, in standard 1, 2 and 3 you have already learnt alphabets, isn't it? You have learned to read, you have to learn to write, you know capital letters as well as you know the small letters too. In today's session, we are going to play with these alphabets. There are different activities. Number 1. Here you can see the alphabet chart where letters A to Z you can see clearly. So these are capital alphabets or capital letters. Okay. Here comes the small letter chart. So we learn like this: capital A, small a, capital B, small b. So that was the capital letters chart, and this is the small letters chart. So now we will play session. What is the first activity? Read aloud the names of the letters on the cards. So you have that letters chart in front of you. We have to read it aloud. Aloud means loudly. Now here comes the Sukhda who will show you how to read it loudly. See, we will start with letter A. Read it loudly. A. 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 In this way, you have to practice reading all the letters from A to Z loudly. Aloud means loudly. Okay. Isn't it very simple activity? Now we will see Yash read it. Now we have to read the letters, isn't it? Any letter you can choose and you can read it aloud. Now what is Yash is reading? We will see Yash is opted for S. So he is reading it aloud. S. 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 And in this way you will go on reading the letters. As small letters. See here Sukhada is reading now. Small a. Capital A. Small a. In this way you will practice reading all the letters on the cards. Okay, got it clear? Now next activity. What is the next activity? I'll read it for you. Say the names of the letters A to Z in alphabetical order. Just now we have read all the letters. We have read it from the chart. Now we have to say it. Okay. How to say it in alphabetical order? See, now we have seen Sukhada has started with A, but Yash started with S. So you can read any letter as you like. But here the condition is that you have to read all these letters in alphabetical orders. Alphabetical means start with A, B, C and stop at Z. Now we will see how here John shows us to read in alphabetical order. We will start with John. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So in this way, my dear children, we will start with A and we will read it or we will say it in alphabetical order. Okay, got it clear? Next activity. Now we have seen Yash, Sukhada and John. They have practiced all these on their own. Okay, but here what is the activity? Form pairs. Pairs means you have to do this activity with somebody else. So two people together. That is known as pairs. So what is the activity? Say A to Z in pairs in different ways. Now George said it on his own. Yash said on his own. Sukhada said on her own. But here we will see how they are saying it together. So again came Yash and Sukhada and we will see how they are practicing it. Now start with Sukhada. Sukhada says A, B. Sukhada has started with A. And in alphabetical order she says B comes after A. So A, little gap, B. Now if you are practicing it with your brother or sister, then you do in this way. Now if you done with A and B, what your partner will say? C, D. So C comes after B. So C, D. Okay? Then again you will say E, F. Then your partner will say G, H. In this way you will practice this activity. Again they are practicing saying this letter in some different ways. How's that? Now Sukhada has started with two letters together. Previously we have seen she has just opted for the two letters A and B. Now she is saying these letters in group of two. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Then what Yash will say? E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. In this way, you will practice saying this letter together. Okay? The same activity. Now here are Riya and Priya. Now how differently they say, we will see. How Riya says that A1. So A is the first article, first letter in the alphabetical chart. So A1. Now how Priya will say? Guess it? Any guesses? Check your answer. B2. Right? Then again Priya will say C3. Priya will say D4. Because my dear children, you know there are 26 alphabets and you know A comes first, then B comes second, then C third, then D fourth, and accordingly there are 26 letters. So here you will combine letters with the numbers and you will practice it. Okay, you will find a lot of fun while practicing these letters in different ways. Now we will see there are Sakhi and there is Shri. So we will see how they practice these letters, these alphabets in different way. See here, Sakhi says A, Z. A, Z. A is the first letter and Z is the last letter in alphabet chart. Okay, so combine first and last letter. Then what Shri will do? We will see. Shri says B, Y. B, Y. So B is the second letter and Y is the second last letter. So choose from beginning one letter and from the ending or from the last one letter, but it should be in order. Okay, I know that while practicing this you may need your book or chart in front of you, but no issues. You can keep your book in front of you and you can practice in looking the book or looking at the chart. But this is very interesting activity, I am sure. So my dear children, you can keep on practicing these alphabets, these letters, reading, saying in this way. So why your parents call you and you have to leave your studies there and you have to run. Then when you come again, you don't know on which page you were. So my dear children, there is one thing you can keep in the book and find on which page you were. So this is known as a bookmark. Can you see in the picture? That is a bookmark. You can make it from any leftover things at your home. Okay, a cardboard paper or the front or the last cover page of your notebook. You can take anything, ice cream sticks, and you can tie it with a beautiful ribbon with that and you can make your bookmarks. But here today we have learned our alphabets in different ways, so we can make the bookmarks with using at our home. Here you can show your creativity. You will definitely enjoy making the bookmarks. Now with alphabets, how we can make the bookmark, so you will get an idea. Now here there are some alphabets F, G, H and I, and with those different alphabets there are beautiful bookmarks you can see here. So in this way you can write the letters on your bookmark, you can draw the pictures, you can color them. If you want to write the names, you can write there, and in this way you can make so many beautiful bookmarks. And you can use it for yourself, you can give as a gift to your relatives, your friends, your parents on their birthdays or on the different occasions. That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.